Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Write your name in the right hand corner and the date, and I'm going to be doing the green stars examples, and with the help of the examples, you get the rest. So, the first page is asking how much more until $100. So, they're asking how much more from $84.45 to 100. So what I did is that I put $100 on top and subtracted it by the amount that they're asking for, or they gave us. So let's zoom in. And first of all, since 0 is less than 5, that can't be subtracted. So you turn this into a 10. But then you need to borrow from the other side. So you usually subtract by 1. But this is also 0. So this turns into 10 again. But since it's borrowed from the right side, it turns into 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then this needs to be borrowed again. So this turns into 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Again, borrowed from the 0. So that's 9 minus 8, 1. And 1 just turns into 0 because 1 is greater than 0 down here. So you don't have to add another 10. It's a triple 1. So that's $15.55. If you make sure you're doing this right, get your difference and add it by the amount they're asking. And if you get 100, if you get $100, then you did it correctly. So the answer is $15.55. This one is saying find the missing numbers in the pattern. What you do is you usually get a pair of two numbers together, like this, and subtract from the bigger number to a smaller number. So 36 minus 27, that's 9. And if you want to do this, if you want to make sure that's right, and okay, if it's this, that means if you add this, it's going to, basically you said this is minus 9. Therefore, if 27 minus 18, which is also 9, that means 17 minus 9 is 18. Therefore, a pattern can be made that after these, you just have to add 9. So 36 plus 9, that's 45. Yes, and then this is going to be 54. Let me make sure. Yeah, 54. And then this is going to be 63, 72, and then 81. Also, you can notice that this is 9 times 2. This is 9 times 3. 9 times 4. 9 times 5. 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's always a pattern going on with these. That's just another way. But a good way is always to get one of these numbers, two of these numbers, and then subtract from the biggest by the smallest. And also they should be next to each other. Get pairs next to each other. Okay, review multiplication. Let's do 12 times 11. If you don't know, this is on your multiplication tables, but if you don't know, you could go like this. Chicken feet. Like that. So the red is always the first part. So first you go from top right to bottom right. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 bottom right to top left because it goes up this way. So that's going to be 1 times 1, 11. Now you scratch it out, 0. Because now we're going to focus on this side. This is what we're focusing on now. And then you go like this. Okay. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Add them all together. And the answer should be 132. And let's make sure we did this correctly. 12 times 11 is 132. So yeah, there you go. Word problem. Mrs. Kim drew a bar graph. Always, oh yeah, also read word problems, always. And this one, you need this graph to do all the other questions. So, Mrs. Kim drew a bar graph of the color that children like in her class. The vertical column mentions the number of students, and the horizontal column mentions the color. This is horizontal, and this way is vertical. Okay, so how many students like purple and red? So what you do is that you add these two together. So, because this whole bar represents the people that like that color. So 50 people, oh, purple. See, this is why you should always read your questions. Purple and red. So look at purple and red. Actually, let's something like that. Purple and red. So what you do is that this column represents the amount of people that like that color. So that means 30 people like red plus purple people are 10. And we add, because we're finding out how many students like purple and red. So we're combining red and purple together, basically adding. And 30 plus 10, you should know this already, is 40. So you always write the units. This is students, because they're asking about how many students. And box your answers and show your work. Okay, that's it. Good luck and have fun. Bye.